What are these crazy color correctors and how can they help to improve the look of your skin? In this video, we will be looking at how to use these corrector colors and how they can work to improve your overall look. My name is Jan Benham, creator of 100% natural skincare products and makeup for the Aroma Shop and Pavez. So, some people have seen these colors on the market, a green corrector, then we have lilac, almost violet, and then also yellow correctors. Now, how do these work? So first of all, I think the most common corrector that we sell is actually the mint corrector. And the reason being is we have a lot of people who have rosacea and skin redness. And what the green does, it neutralizes the red. So if someone has some red patches here, as soon as you put a touch of the mint corrector, and it's not a bright green, it's very subtle, it will immediately extinguish the red look. And then use this underneath your regular foundation. So the green mineral corrector called the mint is actually our best seller. So any red patches, any red spots, sore spots, you can apply. Now also there is ingredients here such as zinc oxide, which also helps the healing of your skin as well. So if you have any sores or blemishes, as well as correcting the color, it will also help to heal the skin as well. Now if you have just a small amount of redness, you might get away with something called veil Paulus. Now this veil Paulus has a touch, you can't see it here, but it does have a touch of green in it. It's called a balanced green mica. And so it might be, you might not need to use the mint corrector unless you have a severe case. You might get away with just using the veil Paulus, which helps to hide pores, of course, and also slight redness as well. So we do have two shades here, one a little bit more intense than the other. So the mint is for real people who have a lot of redness, and then the veil Paulus has a touch of green in it, which will help to neutralize some of the redness in your skin. And then we'll come on to the yellow. Now this is called Brighten Up, and you can see it's quite yellowish. Now yellow basically it's very useful for people who have got say a darker skin type, like a Latin skin. What it will do, if you add a touch of the yellow to your skin, it will brighten up the skin. It also helps to neutralize brown bruises underneath your eyes. So the yellow neutralizes purple in the skin. So it can be used for under eye concealing, or if you have anything that needs balancing up. Now again, this is more for people who really need the yellow, but we also have a finishing veil called Natural Glow. And it has a slightly goldish tinge to it, yellowish tinge to it. So if you have a darker skin color, or if you're what they call have a warm skin undertone, which I discuss in another video, then this would be a great finisher for your makeup to give your skin a little bit of a glow and make your skin become more alive. So that is the Brighten Up for correction, and this is the Brighten Up a warm skin tone. It is a finisher. This is a prep, and this is a finisher. And then we have something called Corrector Lilac. Now, Corrector Lilac neutralizes yellow. So if you have a lot of yellow in your skin, again, if you have a lot of yellow bruising underneath your eyes, then I often use the corrector around the eyes to help minimize dark circles. So it helps to neutralize any yellow undertones in the skin. So often people who are Chinese, Asian, they usually find this useful. And I also put this in my eye serum as well. Now, last but not least, talking about the mineral veil, I did talk about the natural glow, which is, we have two mineral veils which are for after to apply on top of, say, a liquid foundation or for a finisher. And you can see here we do carry two. We have a finishing veil and a natural glow that is also a finishing veil. So if again you know that you are a cool or a warm skin undertone, the finishing veil will work better for cool undertones. So these cool undertones are people who are, they have more of a rosy hue to the skin. They suit wearing pinks and blues, for example. Whereas people who have a warm undertone will suit colors like gold, yellows and oranges. So there are two finishes here. One has a yellow undertone and one has more of a rosy undertone. So cool and warm. So if you have any questions or you're not sure about what corrector you need, or if you do need a corrector, be sure to put them in the comments below, or you can contact me directly. So I do hope you found this video useful. Otherwise, it's bye for now.